Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the newcomers and to the usual suspects. Today's aircraft is the Hawaiian Airlines 767-33A, extended range and with winglets, with the early 2000s era Hawaiian Pualani livery. This aircraft is powered by two Pratt Whitney PW4056 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 61,500 pounds force or 274 kilonewtons. The exit limit for this aircraft is 351 people, but in a normal 3-class layout, this aircraft can nominally hold 210 people. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 486 knots or 900 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 6,000 nautical miles or 11,000 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This aircraft was first acquired by Hawaiian Airlines on October 24th of 2001. At this point, the aircraft was painted in the 2000s era Hawaiian Pualani livery. The registration applied was November 581 Hotel Alpha, which would be the first of 3 registrations so far for this aircraft as of the middle of 2023. The aircraft was used for long-range flights from the U.S. state of Hawaii to the US Mainland and to international routes around the Pacific Ocean Basin. The aircraft, in accordance with the Hawaiian Airlines tradition, was named Manu, which is a white tern bird that is common around the islands of the Pacific Basin. After 18 years of serving the state of Hawaii, the aircraft was acquired by Russian flag Azure Airlines in 2019. The aircraft was repainted in the red, white, blue colors of the Russian flag and re-registered as Victor Quebec-Bravo Echo Oscar. This plane flew passengers around Russia for over 4 years. In 2022, the aircraft took up residence in Opelika, Florida for conversion into a cargo-carrying aircraft, and that is where it sits today in 2023, with the registration of November 567 Charlie. Eventually, a company known as Northern Air Cargo will begin operations with this aircraft for probable cargo services throughout the southern U.S. and Caribbean region. What you're seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2012. As you can see here, 4 production runs of this aircraft have been made by Gemini Jets and Herpewings from 1/500 scale to 1/200 scale. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you and good day.